In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple warehouses in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful if your business stores products in different locations, like a main warehouse, a regional storage facility, or even a small back room at a retail shop. Setting up each of these as separate locations in QuickBooks helps you keep your inventory organized and your reports accurate. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. At the top right of your screen, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where most of your company-wide options live. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. When the settings menu opens, look for the option labeled All Lists. This is where QuickBooks keeps different types of lists that control things like products, services, and locations. Click on All Lists, and from there, choose Locations. This Locations section is what allows you to tell QuickBooks where your sales or inventory activity is happening. Once you're on the Locations page, you'll see a list of any existing locations you may already have set up. To create a new warehouse location, look for the New button on the page and click it. This opens a form where you can define the details of your new warehouse. In the Name field, type in a clear and descriptive name for the warehouse. For example, you might use something like Main Warehouse, East Coast Warehouse, or Storeroom, Downtown. Use names that your team will instantly recognize so there's no confusion later when you're assigning locations to transactions or items. You can review the other options on this screen if they're available in your version of QuickBooks, but at a minimum, giving the warehouse a clear name is the key step. When you're happy with the name, click Save and Close. This adds the new warehouse location to your locations list. Now, to add more warehouses, simply repeat the same process. Click New, enter the name of the next warehouse, then select Save and Close. Do this for each warehouse or storage area you want to track. Taking a moment to set them all up now will make it much easier to run reports by location and keep your inventory organized as your business grows.